How to record exercise on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the search icon. Here, go to Activity at the very top. On the Activity screen, keep scrolling down until you find and tap on the Workouts option. Here, in the top right corner, tap the plus icon. Tap on Activity Type and select the type of workout you completed, such as running. You can then enter the kilocalories burned and the distance covered during your workout. You can also adjust the start and end time of your workout manually. Once you have filled in the details, tap on the checkmark in the top right corner to save the entry. Again, on the Workouts page, scroll down and tap on Show All Data. As you can see, your new workout has been recorded on your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily record exercises on an iPhone.